We're just over 30 staff at the moment and increasing, moving up into Christmas and into 2021. We'll be recruiting, and it's a great place to work here. It's a really good group of guys and girls. Everyone gets on. It's sort of part of how we recruit people. They've got to fit in with our culture and our motivation for getting the best work out of the team.
It's nice to work in an environment where the team, one person may not know something but somebody else will that could help you out, rather than one person just knowing their job and that's it. Everybody has a bit of input. If you can do something different to make somebody else's job a bit faster, you're never necessarily doing the same thing every day.
The development of the product over the 15 years that I've been involved in, it's a team effort. It's not one person driving it, and you overcome problems with components, manufacturing certain things. It takes everyone to get to that end result and get the product out the door.